Everybody, howdy. So we started a very exciting, what we call in a whole program where we have the kids. This is, of course, over here. Romeo. We have Romeo and we have Britannia. Put on your mask, please. We have Carissa. And we went farming, but guess what? We're going to have some rain. So I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to try and do it. So let's go. And over here we have Anthony Davis. And the beautiful Seven. All right, good. So the last time we came, and guess what? Carissa's plant is growing. So hurry up, let's get going before it rains out. Over to you. So Anthony Davis, Anthony will talk to us now.
Will take over. She's going to be the lead. Seven is
Remember to talk louder. Remember to talk loud.
Seven is going to be the lead today.
I'm Seven Roman and I'll be taking. Over here is...
Seven, if I can pull that off, I will stay far. We'll stay 6 feet. Go ahead.
Okay, so over here we have sorrel and callaloo, and that's lemongrass. You smell it. Wanna smell it?
Lemongrass?
Yes, I
Wanna smell it?
Yes, fever grass. Yeah, it smells like lemon.
Yes.
I like fever grass.
Is it the same thing?
Now I know why they call it lemongrass.
Yeah,
it's
sure.
like lemon and it smells like grass. Because
No, it smells like lemon. It looks like grass and smells like lemon. All right, go ahead. All right, so more things. Let's go. Anything else? So you planted this, Seven. Come, guys. Seven, you planted this?
No, Grandpa did.
Louder, Seven. Let's see on TV.
Grandpa did, and I helped to sprinkle eggshells on water.
Speak some louder, please.
I helped to sprinkle eggshells on water.
Why eggshell again? I was 40. Wait, who can remember? Why did we need to sprinkle eggshells the last time? She told us. Turn this way. Why eggshells? Eggshell does what? Provides what?
Oh, provides nutrition.
Which nutrition? Good. Which nutrient?
Soil.
No, man. Which nutrient? A mineral. It's a mineral. You have vitamins. You got minerals. A vitamin starts with C. C. Which mineral starts with C?
Come on.
Calcium. Am I correct? Yes. All right, good. So from here, so you can, so this is what? What is this?
Sorrel.
You sure?
Yes.
So we can read sorrel when, Seven? No, you have to say it loud. Bye.
November.
All right, quick before it rains. Where we're going again? Let's go. Over here. Let's go.
Puppy, move.
Harmless dog. Okay, so what is this?
This is sage. You can burn the leaves.
Sage. Anybody can spell sage?
S-A-G-E.
Spell sage.
S-A-G-E.
Good job. What is sage? What is it used for?
This is used. You let the leaves dry and you use it for a fragrance. Burn it and use it for a fragrance.
So do you use it like to season food, season
Aromatherapy.
aromatherapy? What does that mean? What does that big word means? Of course, this is all Pickney Time. What's the meaning of that big word aromatherapy? Come this way so we can see in the shop. What aromatherapy? Aroma means what?
Aroma means a smell.
Smell. Very good. And therapy?
Therapy means to get a massage.
Okay, good job. Not so bad. Yes, it helps you to relax.
You can break it and smell it.
Have to talk louder though. You hear?
Break it and smell it.
Smells good.
Smells good. So you guys do aromatherapy here at your yard?
No.
So how you use it?
Dry it and burn it like incense.
All right, so we're gonna get wet, but we're doing this. So let's go. Next place.
Here.
All right, so let's go to the
Yay,
side.
but Auntie, can you...
Follow. Go ahead, photographers, videographers. Yes.
I wasn't here last week, so I don't know.
Pull on number and come. Hey?
I don't know what it comes, but since I wasn't
No,
here
it don't
last
matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. Let's catch up.
Honestly?
Yes. It's a very fruitful yard. Walk where we walk, home if they don't stepping down doodle. Walk where we walk, they don't stepping down doodle. What the... Oh, yeah, forget you have plenty of dogs right there. All right, sit here. Okay, good. So,
What about the miracle berry?
wait.
So cool.
All right, so let me introduce now. So the last time we were here, we did half of the yard. And then when we're done, we realized that we have the other half of the yard to do. So it's raining, but we're going to make sure 7 and Anthony Davis, they give us the rest of the tour. So Anthony Davis and 7, you're in charge now. Pull out one a little bit so we can see half of your face. All right, go ahead.
7 will continue.
Go ahead,
Okay,
7.
so this is the, yes,
Spell it.
COMPOST.
Why you need a compost?
To help the plants grow better.
So how you use it? Ask question.
So when the banana peels that you see raw, you put it like around, spread around the plant, so it will help the roots to get stronger and it will grow better.
Ah.
So if you're thinking about organic manure or organic mulch, this is what you do. So whether it's yam skin, banana skin, peeling, all the skin from the kitchen, you put it here. Every time you add the skin, you add the dirt. And then it will eventually rot, and you keep wetting it and turning it over, and then you spread it among the flowers. So you don't need chemical fertilizers if you do this. So you waste nothing in your house. Nice. There's something that you told us the other day that I thought was exciting, and that is how you are, what is it now? You're trying to get 2 oranges. Oh, what do you call that? Hybrid? Grafting. No,
grafting.
Hybrid. So I'll show you over here.
All right, go ahead quickly. We're trying to get as much before it rains.
Come.
Who can remind me? The first person to touch jackfruit get a prize.
I do it.
You're sure?
Yes.
That's jackfruit.
Yes.
First person to show me a jackfruit that is ready. Which one is ready?
That one. There, I can't reach
And then ready, Mr.
This one.
Go on, Mr. You get the prize. You get the jackfruit. You'll get the jackfruit when you're
No,
ready.
I don't want any jackfruit.
I love jackfruit.
I want one even though
Careful of your plant. Don't lose your plant. All right, so I know. By the way, you know this is the last time you gave us a task.
Yeah.
Look at Rissa's own.
Okay.
Pay attention.
We need to give it more water. Where's the other?
She forgot to carry hers. Britannia's a
no
general.
problem. You need to water it more. Here is one that is coming up.
Yes.
But it needs to be watered every day. If you look at
Every
that,
day,
you see it dry.
every day,
It
every
needs to be
day.
watered every day.
You don't water your plants every day,
Yes, you do.
I
yes,
do.
you do.
All right, okay, good. Let's go now. So,
Here, because we don't have much space, what we want to do is use one tree to produce more than one fruit. So this is grafting tape.
you have to talk louder, Mr. Davis.
This is grafting tape. So each tape represents a different mango. So what you have here is going to be black mango. What you have here is going to be East Indian. And what you have here, I think we put back a Bombay here.
So you do that though. How do you graft?
Somebody came, what they did, they opened the bark and they put a slip from the other tree that you want to graft inside it and then tape it and it will eventually grow out. If you look right here, you will notice a green part. That's a new plant that will grow out. So this is going to be a different mango. So in the end, you're going to have one tree bearing more than one kind of mango.
So how long is that going to take? The boys and girls have any question about that? Do you understand when he says graft? Do you understand what that means though? No? Okay, no clue. None of them mean
Okay.
understand.
It is using one tree to produce several others.
So the verb means something though. So produce is a big word. How do you actually do it? What do you do? Tell them what you have to do.
Okay, what you have to do is, let us say you wanted to get a black mango. So you find a black mango tree and you cut off a bud.
A bud.
Right, a part of the tree.
Okay, so show us a bud. Mind the dog's tail.
Yeah, let us say you cut here. You cut
Okay.
a piece here and you take it away like a strip
Yes.
from the bark. You come to the tree that you want to bud.
Yes.
You cut a slit in the tree
Oh.
and separate the bark. And the one that you want to engraft or bud, you put it there and tape it so it stays, and then eventually it will start to grow. So eventually, sometime in a couple of months, you come back, you see a little bud coming from here. Here's the other one.
But this tree is strong enough though to hold up all those trees?
Yes, man. It's just a branch.
Okay.
It's just so what you'll have is, just like how the trees have several branches, what you're going to have is one branch that is bearing black mango and one branch that is bearing East Indian.
This is the only mango tree you have in the yard?
No, we have Julie.
So why did you pick this?
This is a Bombay, and it can't be done with Julie.
Oh, okay.
right? But it can be done with a bamboo.
So those who are on the
How long
page.
does it take to grow?
All right, sorry, go ahead.
It may be about 4 or 5 months before it started growing out, and then it may take a year or 2 before it started bear.
So by next year we'll check up on it.
Next year you can
Oh, to
come
beer.
back. To beer, yeah.
Wow. So those were on my page. If you have any questions about how to do that, feel free. Jenny Energizer, Jenny Pickney Time. Feel free to ask Anthony Davis. No, this is his backyard. For those who missed round 1, that he has turned literally into a farm. And he has also given us a whole heap of things. And I hear surprises are at hand today. We're not saying a word, Romeo. But we are hoping that you paid attention to the first one, because this is now a continuation of the other things we didn't
Part
see.
2.
Part 2. So go ahead now, Mr. Davis.
Okay, all right. So we finished with the grafting.
Yes.
We come down here, which was of interest the last time. This is kale. And kale.
Anybody can spell kale.
K-A-L-E.
Spell kale.
K-A-L-E.
Join them again. K-A-L-E. Kale. What is kale though?
It's a vegetable. It's used a lot in green juice for healthy purposes, right? It's very rich in all the minerals. So almost any green juice that you buy anywhere, it's going to have kale in it.
Nice.
You could also cook it with your steamed vegetable with callaloo. Any steamed vegetable, you can put kale in there.
So how you get it? Seeds again?
Just cut it. Yeah, you get it. You can get seedlings. I don't know if I'm permitted to advertise, but people need information. If you go to Jamaica Bauxite Mines at Hope Gardens, you get
Yes.
seedlings. Almost everything here, you can get seedlings from them.
Nice.
And you just bring them here and plant them.
Beautiful. Thank you. Jamaica Bauxite Mining?
Yeah.
They were coming. I am coming. Right, Risa?
And I'm coming
You're not going to
too.
plant?
I want to plant too.
Brittany, you're not going to plant?
I plant one.
I got
of my-
the worst children on Pickney